Hey everyone, this is a solution to Dev Post Hack the Galaxy contest by Rapid. Usually we see that employees face a lot of troubles when they try to do interact with multiple financial tasks as part of their job. So our solution is to provide all these features in one stop where they can directly interact with teams and perform all of their financial tasks regularly. So moving on to the first operation, which is claiming any reimbursement. So let's say I would like to raise any reimbursement for maybe a team outing, and I can select the dates. And here we're trying to use rapid split payment process, where let's say a group of people have went for this team outing, and me, like one person, wants to raise a reimbursement for everybody. So here we have selected 4 people, and now we are able to divide the expenses, let's say, into accommodation, into internet. So once we have done, we get a confirmation, and yeah, we see that the reimbursement has been shared with the manager. And let me log in as a manager now. So in my view, I can see that I'm now able to approve this reimbursement. So I'm checking the bills, and yeah, so once I can put any of the comments that I have here, and I can once approve it. So as soon as I approve the expense here, it will be moved to the finance and approvals team, who will further check the reimbursement and then make the appropriate refund. So in the finance approvals team, they are able to see all the attachments, and if they have rejected, there is any reason to mention, else they can directly approve here. So I'm using the card payment here, and after entering the appropriate card details, I can see that the payment is successful and the expense has been updated with the same. And let me go to the client portal. So I can see that the expenses have been reflected here. So they were 500 initially, and now we should see 600. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one, which is donation. So let's say I'm raising a donation for a cause. Let's say here it is COVID, and 3,000 is raised so far, and we need more money. And the currency I'm choosing is USD. So here we support cross country and cross currency payments. So once this information has been raised, so the employees are now able to make the payments. Let's say I'm making 1,000 amount. So we get the appropriate currency conversion. That's all handled by Rapid. So after entering the card details, I can see how much 1,000 SGD would be equal to. So that is 733 USD. So I would get a notification that it is done, and we can see that the amount got updated, and my wallet initially it was 1,500. That would be updated with another 700. Yeah. The next step is the shopping. So how the employees are able to sell and update their merchandises here. So initially I can upload the merchandise data. Here, so here I'm trying to upload t-shirt, hoodie and a cup with the appropriate amounts. Yep. And once that is done, it is shared into the public channel, where let's say I'm now trying to make a purchase. So t-shirt of $10, one mug of $5 and hoodie of 20. So all of this should account to 35 USD. And we can check out these details here in the Rapid UI. And after entering the appropriate details, we are now able to make the payment. Yeah, thank you for purchasing. And the next tab is the invoice editor. We have a built-in invoice editor where employees can directly edit the invoice appropriately, add the corresponding expenses, then download it and send to the customers. For example, here the initial cost is $600, and as soon as I'm dynamically adding here, the rate would be 10, and the moment I enter quantity 10, we see that it is updated to 700. And this is another feature provided by us. Thank you.